here? Hey, this is Dennis, aka StockOperator. I want to do a trade recap and explain why I traded what I traded. So I had PLTR on watch. I like this potential gap and retest on PLTR of some prior daily levels. Strong name. Looking at the bigger picture, we have a wedge. So weighted PLTR coming to these levels. As you can see, all of these red lines, this, it's a prior day levels. The moment we started claiming this low, I took immediately long, plus it's above 25. Stop was, I believe, low of the day at this level, 25. Partial, and then again, pre-market level, this dash line, we reclaimed that level, candle over candle long, partial at the prior level, and then now we're just looking very nice for potential grind, partial again on extended moves, building a flag. The reason I like this flag because we just did closest retest, push, and above pre-market level. For that reason, I really want to take a free roll, and this is something new I'm testing it. And again, free roll, it's not like a lot, it's just adding the small share size and calculating the break-even point. So what I used to do, I used to just add the regular size, or I would add half size and stuff like that. So I might have to consider going back or doing free roll, depends. Free roll is really good when you want to protect your profits and you don't have to worry about calculating your break-even point, you know, or your stop. So it calculates for you automatically based on where you want to put it stop, and then it just adds those shares. So partial on extension, partial on breakdown because the character is changing. I'm still holding some at break-even. I'm playing for a bigger picture here. I think nice flash and consolidation. I want to test it here for potential upside move towards 27, see what's going to happen here. And majority of my position is gone here anyway. So the next trade, it was NIO. NIO probably was the first one. Yeah, NIO was the first one. I took a scalp here for gap and retest. Nice call, nice idea. After we actually created this weak rejection, the stop was still high of the day pre-market. Partial and extended move, stop break even. This was a super crazy volatility. Look at this, we bouncing back on a decently like average volume compared to this high, and then I at that moment I'm like, this looks interesting, maybe we're gonna go up. So I took this once we bounced off VWAP, stopped wrong, and then I'm like, okay, well, it's probably gonna be a short now. And this is like wrong when you start thinking like that. You gotta be still thinking where you gonna put your stop. You trade based on the risk. So I started to micromanaging here, having small stops, more of a like scalping mode. The idea was here correct, that it looks heavy based on this candle, based on what we see here, potential short. But shorting into extended move like this, you can see some bounces and squeezes. Also, the reason I like shorting, it's this level. It's some level from pre-market, I think. As you can see, bounce, consolidation. We were below that level. That's why I took a short position there. I wanted to see down towards the low of the day. Didn't happen. Stop pretty much break even, and then consolidation. Could take scalp here for the fader. Didn't do it, but it's okay. And then you see it's still doing this ugly price action. NIO today, it's not a #1 stock to trade. It's just really hard. I took Tesla a little bit earlier, but the problem here, the mistake was not about taking it early. The mistake was about where to put your stop. The stop has to be still right there. Why? Because this is the pivot point. This is a meaningful area. I put my stop right here under this level, under these two candles. And of course, they tag me. They know where you put your stops, and they see it. So I got tagged, and then engulfing, still looking bullish. So in this context, you have to keep stalking your trades and re-entering, respecting this stop. Now this is a pivot point. Now this is a level. Not this, and now this is a level. We have stopping volume here as well. So eventually Tesla ran up really nice, and I think it's still going to be bullish for the day. All right, so what else? I took it. I traded lastly DD. DD earnings play, strong name. We were kind of anticipating second day play here, potential pullback towards 20 bucks, point of control around 20 prior day levels. Waited patiently, missed the early first entry for reversal. So I have a playbook called reversal, trend reversal. The first entry it's coming on a reversal candle, which is right here. You get two reversal candles, so you got to go long here. I missed that. The second stage where I usually like to enter above VWAP, which I did, candle over candle, long, stop, low of the day, then I mitigated here, and then partial on extended moves. And then now I'm looking for a run higher. I have a little bit of left here. Just want to see what's going to happen, how far we can go. But anyway, market looking very strong, as you can see. Well, actually it's dumping now. But it's been looking pretty strong today. And it's still in general, overall picture is pretty promising that we will continue to go higher. Today is the third day we're gapping up, so expect something like this. This is natural. This is natural for market to pull back. People are going to take profits, right? But anyway, this is my trade recap. I hope you like it. Leave comments below, guys. Follow us on Twitter, on social media, and join us in Discord for morning preparation and live trading. Thank you for watching. Take care.